Hi friends, it's Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about today because I'm going to be showing you the latest Daphne's Diary magazine flip through. That's going to be closer to the end. I have some projects that I've made using some new supplies from In Love Arts, and I will link the shop below, as well as a coupon code for some 20% off discount. In this project, actually, I used some of the dies that I recently received, and I do have a tutorial on this project that I will link below. It's this one here that I just recently shared with you. So if you haven't seen it, check it out if you want to know how to make this. But I'll show you some of the pieces that I've used in this project, and also just kind of closer to the end, I'll show you, well, actually I just showed you these, but these are some of the other ones that I've done as well with the dies. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the first piece that I got from In Love Arts, and I will have a coupon code linked in the description box below for 20% off their shop. I will link also what you see in this video, so the items that I'm showing you. The issue is going to be sometimes, you know, when the videos have been out for a while, you may not find the items because they do sell out of some items. So just keep that in mind if you don't see them. So this one here comes with the actual dies for them. And so that's where I'm going to show you a couple of the pieces. The feathers come out, and the feathers, it's kind of interesting because, let me see if I've printed another one or I've made another die cut of it. No, I don't think I did. When I actually stamped on them, it wasn't as clear as I would have wanted. So you just have to be, you know, extra careful with your stamping of these pieces, right? Because I'm not really used to having a stamp with a die set, so it was a little bit, you know, interesting to use. So anyways, it comes with all the pieces that you see here for the dies. For this one here, which is the little acorn, I guess that, no, not acorn. Anyways, again, stamped and die cut. So I did that there. And then for these ones here, there is another little set that I did get, which is this one, and it's got all the different little leaves. And so what I've done is, let me just show you in this little bit here. I've just sort of, oh yeah, there it is. So these are the ones that I initially stamped and then used the die cut for. So that's the feathers. And then this is like a little, I guess like a wooden, you know, trunk piece, tree. And then these are those little leaves that came in this one, which I think is just so cute to have those. So you've got all the different sizes there of the little leaves, and it's just perfect for this season, right? So there's all these here that I can show you. So what I did, of course, in the project is I just added a couple of them in the front, as you can see there. But of course, you know, you've got such a nice size of them. So this one comes with 6 different sizes of leaves, which I thought was so perfect for fall and for any kind of woodland themed sort of project. So there is that. So I'm going to put that aside. The next piece that I got, which I thought was really cute, were this set of 2 pieces. So what I've done with some of these is I've made sure to use paper that you can kind of see on the screen. So I'm hoping that you can see that. So the scissors, which I thought were super adorable, you can see the design on them, right? I ran this like 3 times on my machine so that all the little pieces would cut out properly. And then this one here, as you can see, that one kind of came out better than the other. I ran this one 3 times. I ran this one 5 times through my Big Shot. So, you know, you kind of have to put it through a couple times, and I still found it hard to get all those pieces punched out. So I'm not too happy with this one because I found it very, very hard to actually punch out the pieces. And then also my other problem was I do have that little tool, which now I don't know where I've put, but I do have the tool that would help you kind of, you know, get those pieces out. And even that didn't help very much. So I found that this one is just too intricate and it doesn't seem to do the job very well. So that's just, you know, I want to be honest about what I like and don't like about the pieces. The next one here, which I really, really like. So this is the set of keys and the piece that says love on it. I'll show you how that came out. I think these ones are just fabulous. And I like how these came out. And of course, now I've messed them up a little bit there. So this says love, as you can see there. And then you have a set of 2 keys and a little like lock with the heart. I think these would be so perfect for my Alice in Wonderland work, my crafts projects and stuff. I think this is just perfect for that. So I like how these came out. And as you can see here, that's like the set of those. And then the next thing that I got, which I think is also fabulous. Let me just pull it out. This one here is, I guess like a little border die, and I love the roses. You can see that there. And I love that it all came out nicely. I did put this one through 3 times just to make sure that everything got cut out properly. And I wonder, let me know in the comments below if you find that different weight of paper makes a difference. Because, so let me just give you an example. These ones here, this is like a, I guess a 70-pound cardstock maybe, or 60. And this one's a little bit thicker. This one came from like one of my kids, you know, those thick projects that they put in school, like the big boards. So that piece came from there. And then this one came from like a thinner piece of cardstock. So I'm not sure if it makes a difference if you're using thicker paper or thinner paper. I know for thinner paper, it kind of tears it up sometimes really quick, but I'm not sure if that would make a difference. Leave a comment below and let me know how you find with, you know, with die cutting and stuff. Okay, the next one I'm super excited about because of course I'm preparing for the holidays. It's never too early to prepare, as soon as possible. This is the kit that came with it, and I think it's just so cute. So you've got the little candy cane, which now I don't know where I put the candy cane. I have to find the little candy cane. Okay, well, it comes with a little candy cane. It comes with a little candy piece here. And then you have your little stocking with your little topper. So this is the initial one that I cut out because I wanted you to see with all the bright colors and everything. Like I mentioned, sometimes I think it's better if I put the bright colors so you see them. And then this one I did with, like, you know, the right colors, like the red and the little white on the top. And I've got a little bit of the green happening with this. So these are the pieces here. Again, I have to find the little, what's it called? I said it. But because the last video I shared with you, I had these cute little mittens, and I'll show you the die. I thought it was just so cute to have these, you know, kind of combined with this. So this is the ones that I showed you last week, and they have like a really nice design, but you can probably only see it if I turn it this way, right? You see the design? Oh, right here. So anyways, I just think they're super cute, and what a cute little combination to have if you're going to be making cards or adding, you know, embellishments to your holiday journals, etc. So anyways, I thought that was really cute. And then the last thing, sorry, before I do that, for the feathers, right, the stamps, they're pretty large. So I had to get my large acrylic little brick here. And just to give you an idea, this one is 6 by 6, I believe. So yeah, so it's a 6 by 6 acrylic square, which was the only one that I found could actually hold the feathers so that I could stamp them on. So just keep that in mind, that it is quite a large feather if you're going to be getting that die set. Okay, so then lastly, I'm going to try and organize myself here just a little bit. Lastly, I did get this sheet of papers, and I have to tell you, they're beautiful looking. So it comes in this little kit with, it says painting canvas on it, 40 different pieces. And I like the big envelope that it comes in. But look how beautiful these are. Oh, I love that. And they feel so nice. The paper feels so nice. I'm not really sure what kind of paper it is. But I love it. I feel like this would make a really nice decoupage piece on something, you know, because of the way the paper feels. So if anyone knows or has something like this and knows what kind of texture of paper this is, let me know, because I have no idea. But I love the designs. I think they're just beautiful. And oh my gosh, right? So I don't know, I mean, I've seen similar things like this in, you know, digitals and books and stuff. So I'm not really sure where all the images came from, but they're beautiful. And I can't wait to put them to good use in my projects. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you so you can see. And I'll link again everything that you have seen in this video in case you're interested in getting something, so that you can... Oh, it smells interesting too. It's like a I don't know. I don't know what kind of paper this is, but like I said, it's just really nice. So these are the little cards that I made with some of the dies. As you can see here, I used the pieces in this one. Just made the 3 little stockings. And then this one, I used a couple of the mittens from the last dies that I had. So I just wanted to show you how quickly and easy you can make a project with some of the dies. I hope you enjoyed this share. Don't forget to check the coupon code out. And let's get started with the Daphne's Diary flip through. Once again, I am loving this magazine. I love, of course, the theme. It's autumn, and as you saw, I worked on some projects as well for that before. I have some additional projects actually that I've done for the fall theme, and I will link those below. If you're interested in doing a quick project, you can send to friend or family, etc. So you can see here just some of the cute little images that can be easily cut out and added to your journals or planners, as I've mentioned in previous videos. And if you are new to my channel, you wouldn't know this, but I really enjoy using this magazine for, you know, just most of my projects, actually. I really enjoy using it. I really like the thickness of those pages to make that little vase. And look how cute these little chairs are. I can totally see using these in a project for sure. And they're already sort of in little squares, so it's kind of cute. Definitely going to be fussy cutting out some of these birds and leaves. And I'm quite happy actually that this one has arrived on time. Oh, these little stickers are super cute, of course, again, to use in journals. And yeah, I hope you're all doing well. I've been keeping myself busy, just trying to organize and declutter. Got lots of donations, bags to go, so it's been nice to have the time to do that. This tiny little booklet. So I like that it's sort of the theme, of course, of what I'm thinking, because, you know, I've been thinking of, you know, the paint in the rooms and what I need and don't need to have in the space. And so this is a cute little idea for you kind of jotting down the colors of, you know, what you've painted in your rooms, which is, I guess, another way we could use our journals as well, right? I have one actually that I use for my planning for, you know, taking care of the home and things that need to be done, etc. So it's kind of nice to look back and see those projects as well, what you've done and, of course, haven't done. So this little page is super cute. Again, you know, so many things you can do with these images. I really, really like it. Now, this is all about cats. So if you like cats, this is a nice little page spread. And then this one's just a little tutorial on making a pegboard, which is a nice idea. And I like the borders on that page. This here also, oh, I really like the chair. Make little chairs to put some things on. And it's also nice, I guess, to use those as templates for something else. I like that there. I will be making just the paper sounds version of just the magazine flip through, because I know many of you have asked for that. You really enjoy just seeing the flip through of the magazine, you know, without any chatting or anything else. So I will definitely be doing that. And just leave a comment below if you know you enjoy that sort of video, so I can keep making them. And then we're getting to the end of the magazine here with just these cute little cutouts as well. So I hope you enjoyed this share. Thank you so much for joining me once again. I'll be back very soon with some more projects. I've got some exciting things in a consignment shop coming up as well. Check that out if you haven't seen it. There's some great items that I have for sale as well. Anyways, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.